Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, smoking. Look, swearing. Look. Here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Gotcha. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look. Yes, it is. So welcome. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, greatest show in the multiverse. You're welcome. All right. All right. So look. We got a great show for you today, seeing as it's the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes. IOTA partners with Zühlke. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm trying to be all fancy and say it properly. Zühlke. I believe it's how it's pronounced. Let's see. It is a true partnership, so I'm not going to be complaining about how they always talk about partnerships when it's making money. Look, and then Tron. Tron lovers. BTFS Launches Mainnet. Bang. Bang. Look. Bang. That was for you, Chris. Chris A. Bang. Yes, a little soft bang for Chris. Bang. Look. But you see, a bang you can't bang it soft because it's not a bang anymore. Is it? Bang is some loud noise. Bang! If I'm like, bang. That's not bang. That's hi. It's just stupid. All right, look. Let's move on, guys. Look. And then finally, 6. That's the Swiss Stock Exchange. Bang is launching a crypto ETP. Oh, yes. More products, man. The Swiss are rocking and rolling. And remember when I showed you the hearing last week. Remember I posted the hearing for you guys in the comments, and right, everyone, all those politicians, all the American politicians kept saying, "Oh, we're losing innovation to what was it? Indonesia, France, and what? Switzerland." Bang! Yep, they're coming with the products, boys. The Swiss are coming with the products. Look. So let's begin how we begin. But wait. There we go. Gotta be careful with the bangs. I may miss one. Look. All right, what we got? Hold on a second. Let me look at something. All right. Bang. All right. Look. Let's do a refresh. Let's get everything set up. Oh, all sloppy. All right, there we go. We got our top 10 in view. All right, look. Bitcoin is at $8,305 right now. And when I left you last night, it was at $8,266. So we have went up a whopping... My math is so lame. What is that, $39? Or maybe more. But whatever it is, there it is, $49. I don't know what the number... My math on the fly sucks. I'm good writing math and doing it, but just doing it in my head is not good. All right, look. I don't have to explain myself to you. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Yeah, sisters. Look. Usual suspects. Yes. Bang. Bitcoin, top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar back at the number 10. Yes. Look, moves of the day, brothers. Yeah, song of the year, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down. 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 Oh, $3,400 will get you a million V-chain. Single digits up, single digits down. Two single digits up, two single digits down. All right. Let's look who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Top 10 lose of the day, brothers. Bye. Top 10 lose of the day. Energy, Bitcoin, Crypterium, Lambda, Zühlke, Bit Capital Vendor, Monocoin, Verge, Dragon Coins and IOST. Let's see who made money today, brothers. Bang. Good. Oh, wow. What a drop from 80 to 10 to zip. All right. Look. Top 10 wins of the day, brothers. Centrality, Bitcoin Diamond, XMAX, Theta, Quant, Ardor, Chainlink, Cosmos, Engine Coin, Hash. Oh, Nash Exchange. All right. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. What we got here? What we working with? 220.6 billion. All right. And when I left you yesterday, we we're at 219.3, so we went up 1.3 billion. Negligible rise. 24-hour volume. 44.6 billion. Look at that. All right. Wow, okay. When I left yesterday, we we're at 51. So today we're at 44.6 billion. Yesterday I left you, we were at 51.7 billion, which gives us, what is that, a $7.1 billion drop in volume today. Yet, we had that slight rise. That shows, less people came, but they were here purchasing and hodling. All right, good. Good stuff. Bang. Look. All right. Let's get to the stories. Yeah, what we got? What we working with? What we dealing with here? Bang. IOTA announces a new partnership with Zühlke. Is that how you say it? Zühlke. I don't know. I know you European guys. You know how to say it. So tell me if I said it good or did I just destroy it? Zühlke. Is that how? Zühlke. All right. Because I know those two dots above the U make it like a sound or something, right? Zühlke. Yes. All right. I travel the world. I like to, be able to say stuff. What's interesting, when you travel the world and you meet people, when you speak their language, they love it. When you say anything about their country, they love it. Right? I'll travel around, right? And I'll meet like girls from Poland. And I'll be like, oh, kobasa. Oh, the best. And they'll be like, yes, kobasa, yes. They love it when you know something about their country. And especially, I'm here in South Beach, so we have all the Europeans come here, Russians, Israelis, all the South Americans. And so when you know something about their country, they love it. You meet some Argentinians and you're like, oh, chimichurri, dog. Yeah. They're like, oh, chimichurri, yes. It's funny. All right. I like that. All right. Anyways, guys, let's get to our crypto, though. I guess what I'm trying to say there is try to have some fucking culture. You know what I mean? I know. A lot of you probably live in little towns and stuff. You don't get to meet people from around the world and stuff. But, just try to get out there. Your next vacation, don't do it in your own country. Just go to some other country. Experience it. Especially you Americans. Americans vacation in America. Head out, man. Head over to Europe. Head over to Asia. Stay clear of the Middle East. As an American, stay clear of that. You don't want some jihadi doing it. You know how it goes. But look, the rest of the world, we're free to go. Free to roam. So go roam, brothers. Roam. All right, guys. I would announce a true partnership with Zühlke. That was a lot of bullshit talk so I could get my sip in. Look. Yes, that's how I do it sneaky. Look. It's not so sneaky if you just told on yourself. Look, IOTA will be partnering with Zühlke, who provide expertise within the innovation of projects around technology and business. The partnership will be focusing on impacting the industry via the creation of machine-to-machine technology. So that's the power of IOTA. That's one of the things about IOTA. Like, it's Internet of Things, but so that it does regular IoT stuff, but it does this machine-to-machine crap. Not crap. It's going to be the new future. It's not crap. You know how I talk, guys, But just what I'm saying is this great innovation, machine-to-machine. All right. Yeah, where the machines are going to, on the Tangle, so IOTA has a Tangle. It's not a blockchain. The Tangle makes blockchains look like old, clunky pieces of garbage, really. And It's infinitely scalable, infinite transactions. Oh my gosh, quantum proof already. I mean, it's just it's a destroyer, really. It's the best. But that machine to machine stuff, you're gonna the Internet of Things devices that you put on the Tangle, they can be just regular IoT devices, or they will be able to transmit data amongst each other, and the devices themselves can sort of run the network in a way, like validate transactions and stuff. All right. We're not going to get all into it. But it's awesome. The machine-to-machine stuff. All right, anyway. Machine-to-machine technology innovation in the manufacturing and machinery sectors. Okay. Machinery and manufacturing. Okay. Speaking of... All right, we'll get there when we get there. Speaking of manufacturing. Yeesh. Manufacturing numbers are down in America. Bang! Look! Told you about the recession. Told you from last year, brothers. Look. All right. Look, Zühlke's director of the Solution Center, Industrial and Consumer Solutions, Jans van Vonderbelly, said, our collaboration aims to integrate IOTA Foundation's distributed ledger technology platform, the Tangle, into Zühlke projects, which will deliver innovation for manufacturing and machinery components. Okay. He further added, this enables advances such as the creation of micropayments functionality, opening the door to new models of machine usage and commercialization. All right, and that's it. All right, so just a quick little update. What IOTA is doing, they partnered with Zühlke to do the machine-to-machine technology innovation in the manufacturing and machinery sectors. So that's that hard labor stuff. Hard work. Machinery and manufacturing. Hard work. All right, brothers. Look. Bye. All right, Tron lovers. Look. Tron lovers. Yes. That's one thing about Justin Sun. You could say all the bullshit about, oh, he's a tweeting ass motherfucker. Oh, he's just a marketing guy. He's just the shit it works though, doesn't it? His stuff works, right? Like he's not like Ripple out there, speaking. Yeah, but no banks are using XRapid. No banks are using XRP. Yes, we're building this ecosystem, that. Okay, but no banks are using your thing, right? Yeah, Tron's different. Yeah, the guy's bragging. He's running around here, tweeting like a Trump. Yeah, he's tweeting like Trump at Trump pace. Yeah, but his stuff actually does stuff. The Tron blockchain is actually making moves. It's making money. The stuff works, right? It's the difference between, a Trump and Ripple tweet, which is bullshit, and then this shit, which, well, if you invest wisely, can make you some money. Get that money from Justin Sun, boys. He's handing it out. That's what he's trying to do. And he is trying to do that. We talked about this. So if you're new here, one of the brothers, Poppywood, he went full Tron cult last summer. He became a cult member. And so how it works is BitTorrent, if you seed stuff on BitTorrent and people download from you, you get paid in some sort of token. I think BTT tokens. I don't know, whatever token, but you get paid. And one of the brothers here, Poppy. So I'll show you right now. It's right here still. Where is that? So actually, I'm going to do this. But I bought this. So I bought this. Can you guys see this? Yeah, well, you can see it now. So I bought this hard drive, an external one. I don't know. It's like 5 terabytes. I don't know how many terabytes it is. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to do this BitTorrent thing, right? Poppywood was like, I've got 17 terabytes of shit to put on this motherfucker. I was like, oh. I see. I'm going to have to upgrade my level of capacity. Anyways, Tron's going to pay you to seed stuff on BitTorrent, people. If you didn't already know, well, now you know. All right. That's why it's the greatest show in the multiverse. It'll let you know stuff. Look. Let's continue. BitTorrent's decentralized file sharing protocol, BitTorrent File System, BTFS, has launched its mainnet. Yes, mainnet launched. The project seeks to become what developers describe as the world's largest and first scalable decentralized storage system. But, yes. So, according to a blog post published on October 1st, BTFS boasts various new features and 3,000 new nodes have been rolled out. All right. Well, the post added, as October approaches with we're in October, whatever. As October approaches with BTFS integrated into the world's largest P2P network, BitTorrent has completed its official launch, BTFS has completed its official launch of the mainnet, representing a new starting point for BTFS and a big step towards the integration of BitTorrent ecosystem. Back, look. So look, BTFS promises to benefit 100 million BitTorrent users. BitTorrent announces BTFS. Hold on. Wait a second. Something just clicked in my brain. So it's a file storage place. So, wait, hold on. File system, storage, decentralized storage. So, are you going to just be allowed to use this BTFS to store all the fucking movies and everything you want, and then the BitTorrent people can get it from your seeds, and then you get paid? Do you see what I'm saying? Oh, I just showed you that little hard drive I have right there, that external one. I don't know, it's like 5 terabytes, 1 terabyte. I don't remember. It's small, though. So what they're saying, but if I were to put movies and all that on there, I can get paid for seeding on BitTorrent. So are they saying now, I'm just asking. I know there's a bunch of Tron lovers out there, so please comment in the comments, man. I want to know. Like, I'm serious. This isn't rhetorical. I want to know. When this BTFS thing jumps off, am I going to be able to seed movies and stuff and content on there and still get paid through the BitTorrent thing? You guys see what I'm trying to say? Oh, am I making sense? You see what I'm saying, right? Do you see what I'm saying? All right. Like, are you going to be able to, like the BTFS thing, I'm sure it's going to be unlimited storage. I don't know. Or maybe they'll make you pay for storage. I don't know how it's going to work, but right? On BitTorrent, the BitTorrent thing, you seed the movies and you get paid when people download them. Now, am I going to be able to put all these movies on BTFS and still get paid for the download? You know what I'm trying to say? Anyway, that just popped in my head. It's just an interesting question there. All right, so look, let's move on though. BTFS promises and that's why I brought it up, because it says it's benefiting the torrent users, the BitTorrent users. So BitTorrent announced BTFS at the end of May, immediately before it was acquired by decentralized blockchain platform Tron. Yes. Explaining the short-term plans for the protocol, the blog post added, this integration is expected to be completed in 2020. Meanwhile, BTFS will also be integrated with BitTorrent to benefit over 100 million users with its network services. See? They're saying it's going to be integrated. In other words, I don't have to buy. I'm just saying as a guy who maybe wants to do the thing that Poppywood's doing, seeding stuff to get paid. I'm not going to have to buy external hard drives. I'll be able to just keep the stuff on BTFS maybe. Maybe I'm even saying it wrong. I don't know, but you know what I'm saying? No, I'm just wondering, Tron lovers. Look, give me a shout out. Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. Told you guys, I'm a Tron hodler. But I just keep it simple, man. Justin Sun, he's got it all complicated. All right, he's got all this gambling shit and stake this and buy that, and it's too much. I just buy the XRB. Are you fucking kidding me? I just buy the TRX. And I just keep it on that. I just keep it on that Tron scan thing, and I just collect those free whatevers. Yes, it's a bit much. Tron, it's a little complicated for me. That's why I call it the Tronverse. Right, it's all this stuff going on in there. He's creating his own little universe. What he needs to do, though, is he's got to start onboarding some big names for those D apps. Yes. That's what I want to see. A little gambling and bullshit. Yeah, right. It shows it works. But let's get some big names onboarded now. Well, let's get some VeChain level shit. I want to hear Deloitte. I want to hear PricewaterhouseCoopers. Some big stuff. Look. So as Cointelegraph recently reported, major cryptocurrency exchange Binance announced on September 30th that it's removing a batch of 30 trading pairs from its listing, including a pair with BitTorrent. All right, whatever, man. Fuck all that. Look, BitTorrent, bang, decentralized file protocol. So, launches its mainnet. So, nice. It is up and running, ready to do what? You know we talk about around here, do others. Look here, son. Around these parts, we talk about revenue generation, boy. What you know about revenue? This is America. This is fucking America, boy. All we give a shit about around these parts is generating revenue. One man builds a product or a service, and another man pays for that product or service. It's called commerce. It's called capitalism. It's called America. Yes. And that man makes a profit. You understand? Look. And it looks like Justin Sun has figured it out because, bang, he's making lots of profit. It's going to be good stuff. Bang, Tron lovers. Bang. Yes. But seriously, though, if you get to just, I'd like to see, because I also want to know, how are they going to do this? Are they going to make you pay for using the BTFS? Or does anyone just get to, what, you just get to open an account and upload all the shit you want? In that case, I'll upload fucking 100 terabytes worth of shit and have it and get the money from the seeding. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, they're saying it's integrated, but I'm wondering if it's integrated in that, yeah, we're going to give you the storage space and you'll still get paid for your BitTorrent stuff. But you can also, obviously store files here and stuff like that, right? But do you get paid, right? So that's what I want to know. So look, Tron lovers. Bye. Yes. All right, let's wrap it up with this last one. Boom. I know. The big deal today. Those two congressmen asked the American, hold on, what was it? Hold on. Oh, the Federal Reserve, if America is going to come out with a digital coin. Why aren't you talking about that, dog? Because that doesn't matter, man. What are you going to do? Make a stable coin? The stable coins are the dollars. We are the dollar. We have the dollars already. All right, so that's why I'm not talking about that one. I know people probably thought I was going to talk about that tonight. Nah, man, that doesn't. First of all, it doesn't do anything for your money. And all this tokenization of currencies, so what? Your currency is still the value it is. You could tokenize a dollar. First of all, your money is basically digitized already since I was a child. Yeah, that's how you get to use your debit card, right? And so, well, let's tokenize it. All right, you can do that, but it's not going to change the value of it. You see what I'm saying? It's just going to be another way to use that same store of value. All right, anyways. Why did I bring that up? Why did I bring that shit up? Anyways, so that's that. All right, let's push that aside and let's get to our story here. I don't know why I brought that up right there. Six Exchange launches first crypto ETP in Swiss Franc. And so this is what the politicians in the hearing that I posted last week for you guys, right? What were they saying? The Republicans kept asking the SEC guy, Jay Clayton, look, man, we're losing innovation to France, Switzerland, and Indonesia. Like, what the hell? Like, let's go, motherfucker. Let's go. Let's get this regulated, right? One politician, he was like, do we have to do this? are you going to get around to it? Like, it was actually almost rude, for a politician to speak, Yeah, to a regulator, he was like, look, fuckstick. I mean, he didn't say the word fuckstick, but that's what he meant. He was like, do we have to do this, or are you going to do this? In other words, are you going to get off your ass and work, or do we got to get this done? All right. And so Switzerland was one of the places where, Switzerland is rolling out a lot of this crypto stuff. And, yeah, they're taking the bulls by the horns. They're doing it, man. Like, we keep reading about 6, I don't know, exchange every couple weeks, pretty much, right? They keep rolling out new stuff. All right, so look, investment vehicles. I've shown you what investment vehicles are. And so now they're going to do an ETP, an exchange-traded product. It sounds like an ETF. Let's read on and I'll explain, and then we'll read. Let's just read. Well, first, let me get a sip. Look. But yeah, Switzerland. The problem with Switzerland is, right, they're not part of the European Union, right? Like, we need a European Union country to start launching stuff. Because if it's regulated in that one country, well, it's regulated. Well, let me put it a different way. If it's available in one country and it's within the European Union, then all other these European Union guys should be able to invest in it. You know what I mean? Like, it's like here in America, if someone opens something in, I live in Florida. I live in South Beach, Florida. If someone opens something in New York, I'm allowed to invest in it, right? No matter what, because this is within America. For the most part. I know what you're saying. We have a coin. Binance just launched, and they're only allowed to offer their stuff in 37 states, not all of them. You're right. You're absolutely right. But I just mean normal stuff, right? And, that's how the European Union is. I know Europeans hate when I say this, but EU is the United States of Europe. Bottom line, when something gets launched in one place, unless the country that you're in, okay, so France offers something, and so Germans can go get that thing that France offers. Yeah, because the France thing is EU regulated, right? Do you get it? I sound like I'm babbling a little bit, but I just want you to understand, right? All right, let's just move on. Another crypto-based financial product is coming to the Swiss Stock Exchange 6. Yes, another one. Look, that's the problem. Another one. They keep rolling out other ones. I want Europe, England, America to roll them out. All right. Another crypto-based. Oh, okay. Fintech firm Amen and crypto service Bitcoin Suisse announced Thursday the launch of its Swiss franc denominated Amen Bitcoin Swiss BTC ETH exchange traded product, ETP. So they sound okay under the ABBA's ticker. 9 parts Bitcoin and 1 part Ether. So it's a fund. They call them exchange traded products, but it's an ETF. So think about it as ETF like we have here in America. The ETP captures 75% of the total cryptocurrency market cap in one listed product. Right, between Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's 75% of the market. All the rest is just... In an interview, Amen CEO Hani Rashwan said the ETP serves as an important financial hedge. So based on the 2 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap and denominated in Swiss francs, Rashwan said the product is uniquely Swiss. Yes. Because it's denominated in Swiss francs. So you have to remember, I told you guys about this, for right now, we're in a trade war. Companies or firms, haven't even looked at these sons of bitches yet. Institutions that they go risk off. And so risk off, they move, it's called flight to safety. So they buy Swiss, American, and Japanese bonds. Well, when you buy those, you have to buy the local currency to buy those bonds, which drives up the price of the currency, which the Japanese hate. And so they keep trying to fuck around. But anyway, enough about that. But what's good is that this is priced in Swiss francs. So you're getting paid out in Swiss francs, right? So when there's market turmoil and the Swiss franc goes up, bang. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, you have to think of the underlying dollar value that the asset is based off of, right? So, for instance, oil, right? Let's look at oil. This is an easy one to explain to you. Oil, right, is based in the U.S. dollar, right? So when the U.S. dollar goes up, it costs all these other countries around the world. It's like a tax. They have to pay more for that barrel of oil, right? Because of our dollar going up, right? When our dollar goes down, yeah, they get like a refund. They don't have to pay as much. In other words, that dollar of oil might be, say, $60 a barrel. Okay, 60 American dollars a barrel. But when the American dollar is strong, well, your country has to do the conversion, the currency conversion to buy that barrel of oil. So if you're a country, say you're a country and the American dollar is 2-to-1. So 2 of your dollars equal 1 American dollar. If a barrel of oil is 60 American dollars, you have to pay $120 of your country's money, right? Well, when the American dollar goes up and say the American dollar goes to 4-to-1 of your money, well, now you have to pay 4 times. You've just gotten doubled. So the American dollar, it sort of taxes people in a way, right? And so, do you understand what I'm saying? And so now let's go back to the Switzerland thing here. This thing in Swiss. What's good about this is paid out in it's paid out in uniquely Swiss francs. And so when there's problems in the world, yeah, everyone puts their money in Swiss francs, Japanese yen, and American dollars. So as the cryptocurrency investors, like now what I'm talking about, if you're a crypto investor in this ETP, you're actually making more than just the ETP is going up, but the Swiss franc is also going up. So you actually end up making more. Does that make sense to you guys? You understand? Right? You're not only making the rate of, the Bitcoins and Ethereums going up, but because it's in Swiss dollars, you get the benefit of, the Swiss dollar also going up, right? All right. It's fuck. All right, though, but, just for you deep guys. All right, let's move on, though. I don't want to bore everybody with technical market bullshit. Well, it's not bullshit. I know it's not stuff normal people like. Look. So it's going to be 9-part Bitcoin. So here we are right here. 9 parts Bitcoin, 1 part Ether. The ETP captures some 75% of the total crypto. All right, we read that. So an interview. Oh, we read this too? Oh, Swiss francs, yes. So, and then here's what the CEO says, Hani Rashwan. He says, it's the conservative Swiss way of doing things. Rashwan told CoinDesk, it's safe, cheap, and conservative. But, unlike exchange-traded notes, ETPs are legally obligated to be backed 1-to-1 by reserves. All right, so we've learned a little bit right there about how it runs in Europe. In Europe, apparently these things called ETNs, they don't need to be backed, right? But it says that ETPs are obligated to be backed by where are we at? By 1-to-1 reserve. So, well, you get to learn a little bit about how they roll in Europe. Ammon says the ETP is fully collateralized with Bitcoin and Ether custody in Switzerland by Bitcoin Suisse. Oh, so they got a custodian. But custody by Bitcoin Suisse. Custody, baby. We've talked about it here before. It's where it all begins. Look, if you're new here, Google custody. Yes. Well, market custody or something like that, and then you'll understand. Look, the firm's first ETP since its founding in 2013, Bitcoin Suisse currently holds some $1 billion. All right, $1 billion. Not too shabby at all. The product follows Ammon's numerous other crypto-based ETPs launched this year. Nice. Based on leading cryptocurrency by volume traded such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and XRP. Bang! Yes, they're rolling it out. Rashwan told CoinDesk The firm expects to have some $75 million in assets under management for this type of products portfolio by the end of the year, spurred on by further product launches this coming quarter, including ETPs. Oh, so these guys are, all right, so he's like, look, this thing we're going to launch, we hope to have $75 million in it. Yeah, it's not much, but look, it's something. And then by the end of the year, though, look, we're going to be rolling out further products, son. Yes. I told you about that. You have a Microsoft share. There's many ways to attack it and many ways to have the price of that asset exposed in your portfolio, right? Investment vehicles. I've taught you about investment vehicles. These guys are talking about, yes, we're going to launch more products, investment vehicles, by the end of the year. Yes. So look, said Rashwan, Aman is expanding to more stock exchanges across more geographies, covering more assets and more currency. Oh, more. Yeah, that's how we like it, Rashwan. Bang. Yes. Let's bang his name. Look, Rashwan. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes, Rashwan. Yes, bring it to us, brother. So they're gonna expand. Oh, he said more. Let's do it again. More. Hold on. Let's bang it. More stock exchanges. Look. More geographies. Look. More assets. Look. And more currencies. Look. This guy's out for world domination. That's the spirit, Rashwan. Bang. That is the spirit. Bang. And brothers and sisters, that's the spirit we need from these entrepreneurs to get us our money. Go out there and get us our loot. Bang. Lure these institutions in. Yeah. So we can get this money. Look. We need this money, brothers. So it goes. So, well, that's that. All right, let's go to shout outs. Bang. 6. Love you, brothers. Swiss brothers. Bang. All right, what do you got? No, BDM. What's BDM talking about here? What? 27 minutes ago? Oh, BDM posted this while I was yapping, did he? Yes. Well, he's a European. Makes sense since I live on European time. All these guys are all awake. All you Americans are asleep right now. It's 4:20 in the morning. I should light a joint. Actually, I have a joint right here. Oh, it is 4:20. Just one hit. All right, that's enough. All right. Yeah, it's just in honor of the 420. Yeah, you gotta honor it. It's 420, brothers. What do you want me to do? Plus, the show's almost over, so I'm not gonna fuck it up by being high. Look, Bam. First of all, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. If you don't cough, you don't get off. All right. Let's see what Biniam's talking about. Yeah, what's Biniam talking about? Look. Said, look, CB News. Just in. Another crypto-based financial product is coming. Oh, to the Swiss Stock Exchange. Oh, that's what I just read you. Yes. Yes, brother. Yes, Biniam. Bang. Yes, Biniam knows. Look. What's he talking about here? CB Newswire. The PMI below 50. The ISM Manufacturing Index is a widely watched indicator of recent U.S. economic activity. PMI means Purchasing Managers Index. Well, thank you, Biniam. I've only been watching it for 19 years. This is the worst PMI reading since 2009. Be ready. You're absolutely right, Biniam. You're right. Yeah, I love you Europeans. You Europeans, you know the numbers to really watch. My American subscribers, they yap to me about just crazy shit like Shomari, reverse yield curve. Like, yeah, no shit, fuckstick. We're in a trade war. You know, they get hyper about stuff. But I noticed, Biniam, you, Ron Kaz, you son of a bitch, Airdropper 007, you guys know the real numbers exactly. PMI is off. And so let me explain to people what a PMI is. for my American friends who obviously probably don't know, PMI is the purchasing managers index, and we use that heavily in the Forex market because purchasing managers are the guys that purchase. Okay, let me slow down. A purchasing manager is the guy who buys the stuff for your corporation. So if I'm a car company, well, my purchasing manager, he buys the engines, the tires, all the stuff to build a car, the ignition switch, the keys, all of it, like he's the guy. And so we look at purchasing manager as Forex traders and any serious investor. We look at PMI because it shows what the purchasing managers are expecting into the future. So it's called a leading indicator. A leading indicator, in other words, if the purchasing managers are all like, yeah, dog, we're cutting down our purchases right now, the economy's looking fucked up, that is a leading indicator. You have leading and lagging indicators. And there's another term, but I don't remember that middle one. But leading and lagging, and PMI is a leading indicator of where the markets are going and where corporations see markets going. So when PMI is down, yeah, they're not buying much because they're not seeing, and I'll expand on this right now. I'm a Forex trader, so hold on. Let me even show you fucksticks. I already showed you fuckers. But look, go to forexfactory.com, all right? Yeah, so let me show these fucksticks. I said it the other day, but let me show them again just because they might not understand. Okay, so here are all the numbers. These Forex Factory shows you all the numbers from around the world. Okay, all of them. Okay, so I'm in my account right now. And so let me do this. Hold on, let me just do something here just to show you. So this is my personal account. So you see all these yellow numbers. Oh, today's a German bank holiday. So, and you see we're waiting for the services PMI right here. Oh, it's 4:30. Oh, at 4:30, the Brits give their services PMI. So for their services industry, they're going to give their purchasing manager index. So look, this is what the forecast is. Previously, it was at 50.6, so they're looking at it to go down. Oh, well, it's 425 right now. We're going to come back. I'm going to show you the fucking number. Yes, motherfuckers, you want to see how we trade? This is what we do. We watch the numbers. And so, but you see all this PPI of euro, the retail sales of euro. Yeah, you see the yellow means low impact. You see how it says right there, low impact, right? And then you see the yellow ones, medium impact, right? And then there's red ones. Where are the red ones? High impact. There we go. Red ones right here. Bang. Yeah, there we go. Oh, today we have big news. So we have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for America, the Purchasing Managers Index of America. So what the businesses are, holy, this is going to tell a lot. What the businesses of America, are they buying or are they seeing a recession? All right, you get it? That's what I love about you Europeans. You guys know the real numbers. The American brothers, they're always talking to me about some bullshit, yield curves and nonsense. Like, dude, that shit doesn't matter. Just because it's in the news doesn't mean it matters, fuckstick. Look, so this is what matters. So you see what I just did is I took out, so all those yellow ones, right? You see how I have the checkbox on the orange and the red. Yeah, that's what matters. And the bank holidays, because you have to know or else there's no activity. But, and then my event types, I want to know anything. Growth, inflation, employment, central bank, bonds, all of it, right? And so I turn off the low impact stuff because, well, it doesn't have any impact. It doesn't matter. And this is what real traders, this is what we look at. And so our new news right now is services PMI. And this is what I'm telling you about being a Forex trader. You see the numbers come out at 4:30 a.m. in London, right? For their numbers. And that's what I mean. Bog! That's how I slaughter these guys because look, as soon as this number comes out, I'm going to get it as well. They do not know more than me. In other words, they don't know what's happening in the market more than I do. Or any of us do. Any of us. And that's why we get to slaughter them because it's not insider trading. We know what they know when they know it. 4:30, all of us are going to know it. Right? And you see, as long as you get your game up, All right, well, I think I'm better than you, and I slaughter them, right? Because no one has information more than you. If you guys really want to know numbers, go to Forex Factory and just look at numbers. Even if you're not trading the Forex market, look at the real numbers. This is the daily, so this is what I have to go through today. At 4:30 a.m., we've got the pound, we've got the UK PMI, Purchasing Manager Index, and then we're going to listen to Johnson speak at 6:30. Then here in America at 8:30, one of the FOMC members are going to speak, and then at 10 a.m., one of the Brits are going to speak, and then we're going to get our numbers, our manufacturing numbers, PMI, and that's what you got to learn, like which ones matter. Which ones matter? And like I showed you, like read right here. It shows you why is it important. So for instance, I just clicked on the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Why does it matter? I'm trying to get you guys to be traders now. Now I'm trying to make you guys killers. And then we'll get back to that crypto crap in a second. But the level of, so it shows you what it is, right? And what's the effect? The actual greater than forecast is good for currency. But it's also good for your just economy in general. Released monthly on the third business day after the month's ends. Bang, bang, bang. Next release. Above 50 is good. Below 50 bad. Why traders care. And this is what you have to learn, fucksticks. Why do we care? Okay. A lot of you guys, you keep showing me these crazy little numbers, and no one cares about that. It's a leading indicator, what I just told you, a leading indicator of economic growth. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. Bang! And then they tell you how they do it. So, why am I telling you guys this? Anyway, I'm trying to make you a killer. That's why I'm telling you it. Look! So that's the kind of stuff you got to look at, all right? Come over here to Forex Factory. Stop listening to Zero Hedge. Stop listening to there's a couple more of these motherfuckers. Just a bunch of nonsense. Okay, and come here and learn the real news, what it means. Oh, hold on. The numbers are out. Hold on. Bang! All right, there's the number right there. That's what I do all day. I sit around here and I wait for numbers. So it's actually the services PMI for Britain is down. What does that tell you? That tells you that in services companies, the services sector, their purchasing managers are not looking good. You know, sorry. That's not the way to say it. I'm a little stoned. I just smoked that joint. Well, that wasn't a joint. It was one puff. But look, their purchasing managers are anything under 50 they're looking negatively at stuff. So they're looking slightly negatively at the global economy. All right. And this is how you do it. And this one, look, sweetie. You're stallion. This is what we do, stallion. We got to sit here all day and we got to look at this. And then we go back to the charts. I'll go show you some charts, right? Oh, my charts aren't open yet. All right. Oh, yeah, because I rebooted the computer just before I did this, so I haven't opened the charts yet. But look, that's what we do, okay? All right, enough of this. But that's how you make your money, baby. Bye. Look. That's where you get your numbers. Okay, stop looking at stupid-ass websites and then complaining to me about shit. You sound stupid. You look stupid. You annoy me. All right, look. Bang. But you British boys, you know, he knew the PMI. Bang, Purchasing Manager Index. How do you motherfuckers, you European guys, you know this stuff. You're killers. You guys are killers. All right, let's move on, though. So it's too soon to write off-backed Wall Street analyst tells ICE investors. Yeah, man, the back thing, I'm not going to lie, that was a little underwhelming. Very underwhelming. I thought that was going to be a big, I thought it was going to be a big deal. That is very underwhelming. DP. Oh, that's DP Entertainment, tell me. So first of all, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Oh, and I read those. Oh, you know about COINTELPRO and all that? Yes. It's good to see. Good to see. I used to be part of some organizations. We know all about that shit. That's that old school shit. Yes. Thank you for those comics. I loved them. They were great. And I'm not going to lie to you. That first one you put out, that was the one. That's the good one. That told the truth. Look, the rest of it is your comic stuff, which I liked, which I like. I'm not dissing it. I love it. Yeah, the soul. I like it. Yes, brother. Good stuff. Look. So, and thank you. Oh, and yeah. We have a new package coming from all these boys in the Netherlands. I don't know if it's from all of them. What, do you guys all know each other? Because, I don't know, what's his name? Van Breden! He showed me, he sent me a picture. He has a box and it says, to Shomari, blah, 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 the P.O. box thing over here. But then for his return address, it just says, what did it, from the Dutch guys? Is it just you, Biniam, or what? Do you guys all know each other or something? I know that Ronkes knows this guy. Where's this guy? There's another guy here that Ronkes knows. These Dutch guys, they know each other. I'm wondering if Biniam knows that guy. All right, look. Bang. DP. Okay, so back to DP though. Bang. Yes. CointelPro. That was some naughty stuff. Some naughtiness. Back in the days. Yes. Ricardo. Bang. See you, brother. Brency, Spy Lady. Bang. See you, girl. Oh, and look. She took off the cloaking device tonight. We get to actually see who she is. Love you, girl. Bang. All right. We got Rob Ert. Yes. Love you, brother. Bang. See you, brother. Kong, where have you been, brother? Yes. We haven't had some Kong in a while. Have we? Nah, we haven't had some Kong. We a little bit Kong. Not too much, though. Not enough. Not enough Kong. Look, Kong. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yes. Not enough Kong. Yes. Robbie Hardaway. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Right, and there's BDM, so. Oh, this son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yeah, gotcha. Yes. Thanks for the retweet, guys. Yes. Get on your retweet game, folks. Let's go. I know. You probably don't want people to see you listen to a smoking, swearing, drinking motherfucker. Look. I get it. Don't worry about it. Chris IOTA. What is he saying? Crypto investor. All right. Bang. See you, brother. What do we got here? The conservative environmentalist. That's a new one here in America. Here in America, these fucksticks, we have one party, they're called the Republicans. Yeah, they try to preach that, because they're all for the oil companies. So they don't want anyone to get too environmentally friendly. So they keep preaching like, no, it's not happening. Don't worry. All those storms. No, it's not real. Don't worry. It's not happening. So look, it's good to see you, conservative environmentalist. An American that actually thinks for themselves. Bye. Yes. Oh, there's my sweetie. Yeah, she does that. She gives me kisses emojis all the time. Look, sweetie. Yes, love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Yeah, she's learning too. She's learning. She's ready to slaughter. Told you. She's ready to kill it. Yes. That's what you need. That's what kind of girl you need. Yeah, and there's Poppy Wood. Look. Poppy Wood. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look. All right. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. All right, I'm back. Welcome, everybody. We had a great show for you today. All right, I got to yap in there at the end, but look. IOTA partners with Zühlke. Well, good stuff. They're gonna create efficiencies in the what was it for supply chain and hold on, let me look. Supply chain. Oh, machine to machine learning. Right. Yeah, they're getting all that ready. So look, bang. And then Bitcoin BTFS launches the mainnet. Tron lovers, look. Tron hodlers, look. Yes. I want to know, do you just get that free storage? Is it free storage? And I can Because if it's free storage, I'll throw fucking 100 terabytes worth of shit. I'll throw 100 terabytes worth of shit off that and seed it to BitTorrent and just make money. Yes, but it's finally here. Bang! And that's what we love about Justin's son. He's a tweeting little motherfucker, little kid, but, you know, he produces the goods. He produces the goods. Yeah, produces the goods. So I'm going to say, I know, a lot of people hate on that little kid. Yeah, he's a little kid. He's not even 30 years old. I know y'all hating on him, but look, is he producing the goods? That's all I care about. Look, keep it up, Justin. Bang, good job. Bang, all right. And then 6 launches crypto ETP. And that's the thing. You know, Switzerland, they are rocking and rolling in crypto. They got ETPs. They got, what's that other thing they called it? They had that other thing. They're just rocking and rolling. ETP, what's that? Oh, wait. No. Anyways, they got all this other stuff going on over there, and they're gonna ETNs, yeah, exchange traded notes, and they're gonna launch all manner of other products, which is great. Gets this place going. I mean, look, man, we got Indonesia doing a little bit. We got fucking Switzerland doing a little bit. Yeah, the British are just coming online. Fuck, we need them to come on, brothers. You know, and then we got a little bit here in America. This is a tiny little bit. We need a lot more, brothers and sisters. Gay, straight, black, white, Christian, Muslim, Jew. We need a lot more. So look, we're just going to keep grinding it out, waiting for it. So fuck it. Until then, brothers. Until tomorrow, let's chill and kill it. Gets you back to your wives and lives. Bang! Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look. My name is Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So, until tomorrow, thank you for having me in your home, wherever you're listening to this. I noticed a lot of you European guys, I can see when I first upload this, because I can look on the analytics. YouTube tells me who you are, where you are, and stuff like this. And so I can see that the Europeans, it's all iOS. You know, you're all watching this at work. Good. All my European brothers. Fuck that job. Fuck that. This is what you need to listen to. Because this right here, this is your job. Because this show right here will allow you to get the fuck out of that fucking job as soon as we can. So love you, brothers. Bang! In Europe. Oh, okay. And so that's it. And so get you back to your wives and lives. And what about, and so, yeah. So my name is Shomari Clarke. Bang, for every time of my day. And bang. So until tomorrow. Bang, my name is Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Yes. Bang. Yes. Over and out.